Hello, welcome to Crafty Solutions. Today I am making fall outfits using one of my McCall's sewing patterns and 2 yards of fabrics that I bought from my local Walmart store. I started by cutting 23 inches of fabric from the main piece. I will use this to cut the sleeve, neck and fringe pieces for the fall outfits that I am making. I really lucked out on getting this beautiful leopard print fabric at just $4 for 2 yards. Yes, Walmart is a great place to shop for affordable fabrics. Now, as you can see, I am cutting the neck piece. Yes, I'm cutting on fold. So you see, now I am cutting the front part of the top. I am using the semi-cutout pattern as a guide to cut the neck pattern for the other side of the top, as you can see on your screen. See what I'm doing? That way you get an even pattern cut. I am currently cutting the back pattern and will be utilizing the same method that I used for the front while cutting the neck part, the back of the neck. Now, this is how the pattern looks. Now I will be attaching the front pattern and the back pattern together. You can use sewing pins to attach the patterns together before you sew. Now I am using a serger to attach the patterns, the back and front patterns together. You can also use a zig-zag stitch to attach the patterns if you don't have a serger. To me, the turtleneck part is the easiest to sew. I just tapered it, as you can see on your screen, and then I sewed it on the wrong side. Don't have a serger, you use your zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. Turn it inside out, and it's on the right side now, and I pinned it together and sew it round. Now I attach the turtleneck to the main piece, and that's all. But I used a zigzag. I didn't use this serger to attach the turtleneck to the main piece. I just used a zigzag, and now I am attaching the sleeve to the top, and I use a zigzag stitch to stitch that on. Now I'm stitching the sides, using the serger to do this, and the zigzag to hem the bottom of the top. Now I'm making the fringe. Just cut the fabric equally. I eyeballed it. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed, and I just started to cut. And then I pulled to give it a nice fringe look and movement. As you can see on your screen, I am pulling, and this is the result. Then I attached this to the end of the cape, and I used the zigzag on my sewing machine to attach the fringe onto the cape part of the top. And that's it. This is a fabric remnant. And here's the styling. You can wear this fall outfit over a pair of jeans. You can wear it over a dress. I am wearing a turtleneck mini dress. I also made the black version of this top. These are my fall outfits that I made. And I used drawstrings for the front of this. Tell me which one you prefer, the first one or the second one. I like both equally, but let me know which one you like. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.